I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by capturing the beat cleanly. Identify its BPM and key, then download or record the audio as MP3 or WAV. Once done, open FL Studio and set the project BPM to match the beat so timing aligns. Make sure your audio file is normalized and free of clipping. This makes editing easier. You'll import into the playlist or sampler channel next, so keep the file organized in a project folder to avoid losing source material. Now import the file into FL Studio's playlist or load it via the sampler channel. You want it visible as an audio clip. Once imported, use tempo detection or manually adjust the stretch markers so the beat sits on grid bars. This ensures loops and quantization behave predictably. Slice sections with S to isolate verses or drops and assign each clip to separate mixer tracks for processing. You'll want clean stems to add instruments or vocals without phase or timing issues. Finish by processing the beat on mixer inserts. Use EQ to carve space, compression for cohesion, and limiting to prevent clipping. Route your vocal or instrument tracks and perform a final balance, then export either stems or the full mix as WAV at 16 or 24-bit and 44, 1 or 48 kHz. If you run into timing drift or artifacts, double-check FL Studio's audio settings and project sample rate. Resample the file or re-import a fresh copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.